Hey guys, what's up? So today guys, we're in the beach. At we're heading now. Ha? Oo, mamaya. Mamaya. So I can take up this photo of mine. I'm heading to the beach. Just, I'm using it phone. And here, we have a soccer field. We have a soccer field over there. And we're heading to the beach, guys. And there's a lot of fun activities here. But we're going again, swim in the ocean. We're going now. We're gonna find our we're gonna find someone first. Nakita ko na sila, te. Casey, andun na. We're heading now. Ah! Mamaya. We're going to Mayan. And may casting na. We're sa Tina now. We're sa Kasim. And ito ang beach, guys. We are here already. Here's a view of the beach. Here's the sand. And over there, you see that orange? That's my casino. And there's a lot of activities here, guys. It's too right in here. That's why. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. So now we're gonna go to the ocean. And I'll take off my slippers. And I'm gonna unwear my clothes first. Gonna unwear my. But first, gonna stand this bad boy up. Hey guys, what's up?
Ay, gusto ko to, Digicam. Ayan! Ayan! Pasang mo! Dalawan at to, dalawan.
Oh,
Buo pati yung ilalim.
oh, that's
Tama ba?
init dito. It's hot here, guys. Really hot. I'm gonna wear my sunglasses on, guys. Gonna head to the ocean, guys. Gonna head to the ocean first. Gonna swim first. I'm gonna swim because my phone gonna died. Gonna do okay if I swim. So we're gonna just hop to the shore. This is the ocean. Oh, it's hot in here, guys. It's hot. the ocean. So, I can't really go to the deepest because I might get, I'm worried about my phone. It might get me Toronto. So guys, gonna leave you here. Gonna leave you guys here. Later on, I'm gonna bury myself in the sand with my cousin. Ayun lang. I'm gonna swim now to the ocean again, guys. Just swim.
Bangon muna ako, tatagalin ko to, nahiya ako, tapos balik mo dito. Dito. Ano lang.
Be right back. Hey guys, what's up? Today's this is our second day in the beach. I did not record yesterday because I don't know. But this is our last day, so we're gonna spend our last day in the beach. 12 noon is our check out in the Airbnb. That's why we're just enjoying the beach today in Pico de Loro in the Philippines. Located in the Batangas, so it's fun in here and not but when you get to the water, guys, it will help you reduce the heat in your body. Ha? Hindi kaya. Nano lang to.
Baliktad, tanga.
Ha ka? Ay gago. Be right back, bye. So hi guys, ito na, we're back. I just realized that my short is upside down. It's facing the wrong way. That's why I changed it. Ayun na yung covered with all of the sand. But we're gonna fix it. We're gonna go to the water again to help it dry, to help it get off. Happy New Year, mabuhay! And later, guys, the second video I recorded, it got paused. I don't know why. That's why I'm here today, recording it again and again. And I'm just in the water now, guys. So that I don't get sun, but later I'm gonna come over there to my cousins. I am not really scared of my phone right now. I'm just using a selfie stick. And if I mess up, my phone gonna go down this water, and it will not work anymore. So I'm scared of my life. I look into a million. So now I'll be heading to my cousins. But first, I enjoy this moment myself and you guys. This is a view of the ocean when I'm in the water. It's fun in here. And this is our location. And today, guys, so ito nga, guys. Just gonna head back to the chair for a minute. Or just fun or nothing. Because now I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna swim to the ocean by myself, okay? I'm gonna swim the ocean. I'm gonna end this video later, sooner. I rock into a million and can't hold back. It's really hot in here.
Yan, lumaway ka na. Saglit na lang kasi tayo dito.
Ay, goodbye guys.
Dito? Ang
Goodbye. See you next time.